Guys, do you know how to make a piston door? Okay, if you don't know, I will show it to you. First, get a piston and set transform. Oh, that's not the thing we're transforming. Get out of here. Let's put it at the normal again. Okay, this is what we're gonna set transform. There. There. And this the piston door is now complete. People can fit through it.